Welcome to Atarashi Hinode by T3 Solutions. Today we are going to do the 10th question of exercise 9.2 7th grade CBSE NCERT Maths. The question is, from a circular card sheet of radius 14 cm, two circles of radius 3.5 cm and a rectangle of length 3 cm and breadth 1 cm are removed. Find the area of the remaining sheet. Here you can see this is the circular card sheet of radius 14 cm and these are the circles of radius 3.5 cm and this is the rectangle of length 3 cm and breadth 1 cm. And according to the question, when we remove these two circles and this rectangle from this card, we get a shape like this. That is, after removing these three shapes, this is the remaining sheet we get and we have to find the area of this sheet. Now, how to find the area of this shape? Can we use the formula pi r square? No, because pi r square is the formula for finding the area of a circle. Here you can see some parts from the interior are removed. So we cannot use the formula pi r square. Then how to get this area? This is a bit similar to the fifth question of this exercise. Do you remember that question? The question was, from a circular sheet of radius 4 cm, a circle of radius 3 cm is removed. Find the area of the remaining sheet. How we had found the area of the remaining sheet? For this, first we found the area of the larger sheet, then area of the smaller sheet. After that, for getting the area of the remaining sheet from the area of the larger sheet, we have subtracted the area of the smaller sheet. So, here also we will do the same. That is, first we will find the area of this circular card sheet. Then, for getting the area of this remaining sheet from the area of this circular card sheet, we have to subtract the areas of these three figures. Now, let us solve. First, let us find the area of this circular card sheet. First, let us write radius of the circular card sheet. Equal to, it is given 14 centimeter. Area of the circular card sheet. That is equal to, since it is a circle, the formula is pi r square. That is equal to pi into r into r. That is equal to, pi is 22 by 7. So we can substitute the values, that is 22 by 7 into r is 14 centimeter. So 14 centimeter into 14 centimeter. Here we can divide 7 and 14 by 7. 7 divided by 7, it is 1. 14 divided by 7, it is 2. That is equal to 22 divided by 1. That is 22 into, here it is 2 centimeter into 14 centimeter. That is equal to 22 into 2. It is 44 centimeter into 14 centimeter. Now let us multiply 44 into 14. 4 fours are 16. Again 4 fours are 16. 16 plus 1, 17. 1 fours are 4. 1 fours are 4. Adding 6, 11, 6. That is equal to 616 centimeter into centimeter. It is centimeter square. That is area of the circular card sheet is 616 centimeter square. Next we will find the area of the smaller circle. Radius of the smaller circle equal to 3.5 centimeter. Area of the smaller circle equal to, we know the formula is pi r square, that is equal to pi into r, that is equal to 22 by 7 into 3.5 centimeter into 3.5 centimeter. Now let us multiply 3.5 and 3.5. For that multiply 35 and 35. That is equal to 22 divided by 7 into 1225. Now we have to put the decimal here. Here you can see after the decimal there is only one digit. Here also one digit. So total 2 digits. That is from the rightmost digit count 1, 2. Put the decimal here. Next let us divide 12.25 by 7. 1 sevens are 7. When we subtract, we get 5 here. Next, we have to bring down 2. Before that, here there is a decimal, so put a decimal here also. Then bring down 2. Now it is 52. We know 7 sevens are 49. Now subtract. When we subtract, we get 3 here. Next, we have to bring down 5. 5 sevens are 35. When we subtract, we get 0. That is equal to 22 multiplied by 1.75. Now we have to multiply 22 and 1.75. For that, first let us multiply 175 by 22. After that, we will put the decimal. 175 multiplied by 22. 2 5s are 10. Remainder 1. 2 7s are 14. 14 plus 1, 15. Again 1. 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1, 3. Here also we get the same. Adding 0, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 3. That is equal to 3850. Now we have to put the decimal. Here you can see after the decimal there are 2 digits. So from the rightmost digit count 1, 2. Put the decimal here. So area of the smaller circle is 38.50 centimeter square. Next, we have to find the area of this rectangle. So, let us find. Here, length of the rectangle equal to 3 centimeter. Breadth of the rectangle equal to 1 centimeter. Now, area of the rectangle equal to, what is the formula for area? That is length into breadth. That is equal to length is 3 centimeter multiplied by breadth is 1 centimeter. That is equal to 3 centimeter square. Now we have found areas of all the figures separately. Next, we will find the area of the remaining sheet. Area of the remaining sheet equal to, how to get? That is, from the area of the circular sheet. If we subtract the area of these figures, we will get the area of this remaining shape. That is equal to area of the circular card sheet minus. Now, for subtracting the areas of these three shapes, you can subtract these areas separately, or you can add these areas, and after that you can subtract that sum from this area. Here I am going to subtract separately. That is, here we have to subtract the area of this circle and this circle and this rectangle. But here you can see these two circles are having the same area. So instead of subtracting 2 times, it is enough to multiply area of one circle by 2. So let us write area of the circular card sheet minus 2 into area of the circle minus area of the rectangle. That is equal to, what is area of the circular card sheet? Here it is 616 centimeter square. That is 616 centimeter square minus 2 into, what is area of the circle? It is 38.5. 38.5 centimeter square minus area of the rectangle is 3 centimeter square. So 3 centimeter square. That is equal to 616 centimeter square minus, now let us multiply this, that is 385 multiplied by 2. That is 2 into 38.5. That is equal to 770. Now we have to put the decimal. Here we can see after the decimal only one digit is there. So from the rightmost digit count 1, decimal comes here. That much centimeter square, then minus 3 centimeter square. That is equal to, now we have to subtract 77 from 616. Or you can add 77 and 3 because both are having minus sign here. So we can add these two. and after that we can subtract that from 616. So we can write 616 centimeter square minus 77 plus 3. It is 80. So 80 centimeter square. Now let us subtract 80 from 616. 6 minus 0, 6. Here it is 1, so we have to borrow from 6, that is here becomes 5 and here it is 11. So 11 minus 8, it is 3, then 5. That is equal to 536 centimeters square. Therefore, we can write area of the remaining sheet equal to 536 centimeters square. Or you can do like this also, that is area of the remaining sheet, that is equal to area of the circular card sheet minus, here if you add areas of these three shapes, then you have to put this in the bracket like this. That is, here it is the area of the rectangle and this is the area of one circle, and for getting the area of two circles we have to multiply this with 2. So when we do this, we will get, this is 77, and when we add 77 plus 3, it is 80. Then when we subtract 80 from 616, it is 536 centimeters square. Hope it is clear to you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.